Hello from Tokyo. I just found a video that I had made straight after the purple hydrangea video last summer. Just to get me back into the flow of making videos, I'm going to upload this one. You can get further details of what paints I used from that previous video. I'll link it in the corner up here now. I hope you enjoy the video today. We're going to be using the water balloon to make the little dainty flowers, and then I will be adding more petals with a dotting tool, which you can always use the end of a toothpick to do the same. So this is just going to be a simple video with no narration. At the end, we will have a look at the dried version too. So I hope you enjoyed the video today and talk to you at the end. version of the finished painting, you can see a lot of lacing, and that's achieved by the thin consistency of the paints. The glue that I use in Japan that I can get is quite thin already, so that's why it's almost water-like when I make the pouring medium. I really like the colors. I really like how these have blended together. What do you think of it? Do you prefer the larger balloon smashes or these little delicate ones with the water balloons? And here's the dried version. Actually, some of the paint here is still partially wet. So the painting was recorded in the evening, and the lighting is never really great with my ring light, so it looks much better in the daylight, right? I really like these smaller versions of the balloon smash. I'm going to try and do one with rainbow colors next. I haven't painted for 7 months or something, so it'll be fun to start the channel again. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time. Bye!